Hi students, good morning to all of you. Hope you are all doing good. Welcome to Lecture 7 in Theory of Equations. Hope you have watched the previous 6 lectures in this particular topic. Let's get started. So in this lecture, we will be solving some quartic polynomial equations when some information is given on their roots. Here, quartic polynomial means polynomial of degree 4. Okay.
Here is our next problem. Solve x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 16x square minus 4x plus 48 is equal to 0, given that a product of two of its roots is 6 actually. So this is a biquadratic equation. Now we have to find out the roots of this biquadratic equation. Let us see how will you find out the roots of it. Here is the solution. So let alpha, beta, gamma, delta be the roots of the equation x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 16 x square minus 4x plus 48 is equal to 0. Okay. So given that product of two of the roots is 6. So let alpha beta is equal to 6. Okay. Now we have the following relations. Let me write those relations. S1 is equal to summation alpha, that is equal to minus 1. So that is equal to, this implies alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to minus 1. What is S2? This is summation alpha beta. That is equal to what? This is minus 16. This implies, you know this already, this is alpha beta, alpha gamma, alpha delta, beta gamma, beta delta plus gamma delta, that is equal to minus 16. Now what is S3? This is summation alpha beta gamma, that is equal to minus of minus 4. This implies, see, we have seen this earlier, this can be written as alpha beta into gamma plus delta and gamma delta into alpha plus beta, that is equal to 4. Okay, and S3 is equal to the product of all the four roots, that is equal to, so here it is minus plus minus plus it will be, so this is equal to 48, implies alpha beta gamma delta is equal to 48. Okay, maybe we call this as equation 1, we call this as equation 2, we call this as equation 3. Okay, so given that alpha beta is equal to 6, so then 3 implies, now substitute alpha beta value in equation 3 and this becomes 6 into gamma delta is equal to 48, implies gamma delta is equal to 8. Okay, maybe this is the relation between gamma and delta. Let us continue the problem in the next page. So continuation. See, we have got alpha beta is equal to 6 and gamma delta is equal to 8. Okay, so from equation 2 we have alpha beta into gamma plus gamma delta into alpha plus beta is equal to plus 4. So we have called it as equation 2. Okay, now let us substitute this alpha beta and gamma delta in equation 2. So this is 6 into gamma plus delta plus 8 into alpha plus beta, that is equal to 4. We call it as 2. Okay, now from equation 1 we have alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to minus 1. We have called it as equation 1. Now equation 1 multiplied by 6, we get 6 into alpha plus beta plus 6 into gamma plus delta, that is equal to minus 6. We call this as equation 1. Let us take, maybe we call it as equation 4. Okay, now equation 4 minus equation 2, if I take, or equation 2 minus equation 4, let us do equation 2 minus equation 4. Equation 2 minus equation 4 becomes 2 into alpha plus beta is equal to 4 minus of minus 6, 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10, implies alpha plus beta is equal to 5. We call it as equation 5. Now equation 1 multiply by 8, number 8, we get 8 into alpha plus beta plus 8 into gamma plus delta is equal to minus 8. Now what we shall do is we'll subtract this, we call it as equation 6, let us say. Okay, now we'll subtract 6 from 2, so it is 2 minus 4, 2 minus 6 actually, so we get, so minus 2 into gamma plus delta, because 8 into alpha plus beta gets cancelled, so minus 2 into gamma plus delta is equal to 4 minus of minus, it is 10. Sorry, it is what is the value here? Equation 2 minus equation 6, so 4 minus of minus 8. Okay, 6 into gamma plus delta minus 8 into gamma plus delta, this is minus 2 into gamma plus delta, so it is a 4 minus of minus, sorry, 4 minus of minus 8, that becomes 12 actually. So this is 12, implies gamma plus delta is equal to minus 6. So we call it as equation 7. See, we have alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Alpha plus beta is equal to 5 and alpha beta is equal to alpha beta is equal to 6. So this implies alpha comma beta are the roots of x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This implies alpha comma beta are roots of x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, let us continue the problem. Let us continue the problem in the next page. So here is a continuation. So we have got the roots alpha comma beta as 2 comma 3. Okay, now we have gamma plus delta is equal to minus 6 and gamma delta is equal to 8. Okay, so we know that gamma comma delta are the roots of x square minus gamma plus delta into x plus gamma delta is equal to 0 implies gamma comma delta are the roots of the equation x square minus of gamma plus delta is minus of minus 6 plus gamma delta value is equal to 0. So this is x square plus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. So this x square plus 6x plus 8 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. That is equal to x into x plus 4 plus 2 into x plus 4. That is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So this implies gamma comma delta are the roots of the roots are the roots gamma comma delta are minus 2 comma minus 4. Okay, so therefore the roots alpha beta gamma delta are 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma minus 4. Okay, so here is the solution. Hope you have understood the solution. Here is our next problem. Solve 8x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 27x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0 given that two roots have the same absolute value but are opposite in sign. Hope you remember what is the meaning of opposite in sign. Okay, now let us solve this equation. Let alpha, beta, gamma, delta be the roots of the equation 8x to the power 4 minus 2x cube minus 27x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, given that two roots have same absolute value but are opposites in sign. So let alpha comma beta satisfy those relation, then we have beta is equal to, let beta is equal to minus alpha, and beta has mod beta is equal to modulus of minus alpha, that is alpha. Okay, and the opposite sign alpha, beta takes minus alpha. So we have the following relations. S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. This is equal to minus of minus 2 divided by 8, that is equal to 1 by 4. Now this alpha plus beta, if you take, that becomes 0. So 0 plus gamma plus delta is equal to 1 by 4. You call it as equation 1. Now what is S2? S2 is anyway known to you, alpha beta, alpha gamma, alpha delta plus beta gamma, beta delta plus gamma delta. Now this implies, so this is equal to what? This value is minus 27 divided by 8. Okay, so see, let me substitute beta is equal to minus alpha. So this becomes minus alpha square plus alpha gamma, and alpha delta will be as such. This is minus alpha gamma. This is minus alpha delta plus gamma delta is equal to minus 27 by 8. Now what do we get? Alpha gamma, these gets cancelled, and the gamma delta and minus gamma delta gets cancelled. So we have got minus alpha square plus gamma delta is equal to minus 27 by 8. We call it as equation 2. Now S3, that is equal to, we have alpha plus beta. See, S3 is equal to, we have seen that relation alpha beta into gamma plus delta plus gamma delta into alpha plus beta. So that is equal to S3 value minus plus minus. So this is minus 6 divided by 8. That is equal to minus 3 by 4. Let us continue the problem here. Continuation. Okay. So we have S3 is equal to alpha beta into gamma plus delta plus gamma delta into alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus plus minus. So this is minus 6 by 8, that is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now substitute beta is equal to minus alpha, then this becomes minus alpha square into gamma plus delta plus gamma delta into, this becomes 0, that is equal to minus 3 by 4. Put beta is equal to minus alpha. This is what we have done here. So this implies minus alpha square into gamma plus delta is equal to minus 3 by 4, implies alpha square into gamma plus delta is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so from 1 we have gamma plus delta is equal to 2 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 4. So therefore, okay, So maybe we call it as equation 3 and we call it as equation 1. Now put equation 1 in equation 3, we get alpha square into 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 implies alpha square is equal to 3. So alpha value is equal to plus or minus root 3. Okay. So next one is S4 is equal to alpha, beta, gamma, delta, that is equal to minus 9 by 8. Now substitute beta is equal to minus alpha. It is minus alpha square into gamma delta, that is equal to minus 9 by 8. So this implies just now we have seen alpha square is equal to 3. It is minus 3 into gamma plus delta is equal gamma delta is equal to 9 by 8. This implies gamma delta is equal to 3 divided by 8. We call it as equation 4. Okay. Now let us continue. Continuation here. We have gamma plus delta value is equal to 1 by 4 and gamma delta is equal to minus 3 by 8. So we know that gamma comma delta are the roots of x square minus gamma plus delta into x plus gamma delta is equal to 0 implies gamma comma delta are the roots of x square minus 1 by 4 into x minus 3 by 8 is equal to 0. So this is 8x square minus x, sorry, this is minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So upon solving this equation, the roots are minus of minus 2 plus or minus b square minus 4 into 8 into minus 3 divided by 2 into 8. So this implies gamma comma delta values are is 2 plus or minus 4. 8 into 4 32, 32 into 3 is 96. So this is plus 96 divided by 16. So 2 plus or minus 96 plus 4 is 100 divided by 16. So that is equal to 2 plus 10 by 16 comma 2 minus 10 by 16, that is equal to 2 plus 10 is 12. 12 divided by 16 is 3 by 4 and 2 minus 8, 10 is minus 8. Minus 8 by 16 is minus 1 by 2. So therefore the roots of the equation are we have seen alpha gamma minus alpha, alpha beta, or alpha minus alpha and gamma comma delta. So this is root 3 comma minus root 3 comma 3 by 4 comma minus 1 by 2. These are the roots actually. Okay, right. So this is how one can find the solution for this equation. Okay, here is our next problem. Find the condition in order that The equation ax power 4 plus 4bx cube plus 6c x square plus 4dx plus e is equal to 0 may have two pairs of equal roots. Okay, now let us see how to solve this problem. Here is the solution. We have seen for a biquadratic equation, if two pairs of equal roots are given, then we know how to take the roots. So it is given that the equation ax power 4 plus 4bx cube plus 6c x square plus 4dx plus e is equal to 0 have two pairs of equal roots. Two pairs of equal roots. Okay, let alpha comma alpha, beta comma beta be the roots of the given equation. Now let us find out one by one S1. What is S1? It is alpha plus beta that is equal to 2 into alpha plus beta that is equal to minus 4b by a implies alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2b divided by a. We call this as equation 1. S2 is equal to alpha into alpha plus alpha into beta plus alpha into beta plus alpha into beta plus alpha into beta plus beta square. So that is equal to 6c divided by a. So this is alpha square plus beta square. So this is alpha square plus beta square plus 4 alpha beta is equal to 6c by a. Now this can be written as alpha plus beta whole square plus 2 alpha beta that is equal to 6c by a. Let us take. Okay. Now we call it as equation 2. What is S3? S3 is equal to what? This is alpha into beta plus beta into alpha plus alpha that is equal to alpha square into 2 beta plus beta square into 2 alpha that is equal to 2 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So this value is equal to minus 4d divided by a. Okay, we call it as equation 3. Now let us simplify this equation 3. This is alpha beta into alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2d divided by a. Okay, now this alpha plus beta value is equal to alpha plus beta value from 1, it is minus 2b divided by a, that is equal to minus 2d divided by a, implies alpha beta is equal to, these two also gets cancelled, then I get d divided by b. Okay, so we have got alpha beta is equal to d by b. So here what we have done is substitute, put equation 1 in equation 3. Okay, now let us continue further. The continuation. we have S4 is equal to alpha into alpha, beta into beta, that is equal to minus plus minus plus. So this becomes E divided by A, minus plus minus and plus. So that is alpha beta whole square is equal to E by A. We call it as equation. We call it as equation 5. Let us take. So we have in the last slide from equation 4, alpha beta is equal to D divided by B. Okay, and we have from 5 alpha beta whole square is equal to E by A. So therefore alpha beta value, let us substitute here. Then what happens? D divided by B whole square is equal to E by A, implies D square by B square is equal to E by A, that is equal to AD square minus EB square is equal to 0. So this is one such condition. And we have from equation 2, we have alpha plus beta whole square plus 2 alpha beta is equal to minus 6c divided by A, minus 6c divided by A, and alpha plus beta whole square from 1 is minus 2b divided by A, plus 2 into alpha beta value is D by B, that is equal to minus 6c divided by A. So this is 4b square divided by A square plus 2d divided by B, that is equal to minus plus. Actually this is plus, there is no minus here. So this is 6c divided by A. So this is equal to, if I take my LCM as A square into B, this is 4 into B cube plus 2 into A square into D, that is equal to 6c divided by A. So this A gets cancelled. I will continue the problem here. This implies 4b cube plus 2a square d is equal to 6abc. Now throughout divided by 2, we get 2b cube plus a square d is equal to 3abc. This is one more condition. Okay, so these are the possible two conditions. This is condition A and this is condition B. These are the two conditions. Usually whenever these kind of questions are being asked, how to find out the equation means, how to find out those condition means, we get the same quantity in two different ways. For example, let me write it here. So we have got alpha beta is equal to D by A, and on the other hand we have got alpha beta whole square is equal to E by A. Now there should be a consistency here. So you are substituting alpha beta whole square here and then you are equating that. And the next condition is we have got this alpha plus beta whole square plus 2 alpha beta is equal to 6c divided by A. So we have alpha plus beta We have alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2b by a, and alpha beta is equal to b by a. So we should have a consistency here. We have to substitute all these things to get the another condition. Okay. So whenever you are asked to find out conditions, so you have to look for those quantities which we get in two different ways. So we have got alpha beta and alpha beta whole square, alpha beta square in two different ways, and we have to equate them. So like this, we have to derive any such conditions if these general biquadratic equations are given. Okay. Here is our next problem. Given that sum of two roots of the equation x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 4x square plus 6x minus 21 is equal to 0 is 0, find the roots of the equation. It is given that sum of two roots of the equation are 0. Okay, then you are asked to find out the roots. Okay, solution, let us solve this equation. So it is let alpha, beta, gamma, delta be the roots of the equation x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 4x square plus 6x minus 21 is equal to 0. Okay, it is given that sum of two roots of the equation is 0, implies, okay, so let alpha comma beta be those roots. Let alpha plus beta is equal to 0. So this is beta is equal to minus alpha. Do you remember this? This is actually, so it can be given in two ways. Okay, either sum of the roots is equal to 0, or two roots have the same absolute value with opposite sign. Okay, now this alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Now we have the following relations. S1 is equal to what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, that is equal to 0 plus gamma plus delta, that is equal to minus of minus 2, implies gamma plus delta is equal to 2. We call it as equation 1. Now what is S2? S2 is, we know S2 can be written as alpha plus beta into gamma plus delta plus alpha beta plus gamma delta. So since alpha plus beta is equal to 0, this is 0 into gamma plus delta plus alpha beta plus gamma delta, that value is equal to 4. Call it equation 2. Now S3. So S3, how will you find out? So this we have seen, S3 can be written as alpha beta into gamma plus delta plus gamma delta into alpha plus beta. Now if I substitute alpha plus beta is equal to 0, then alpha beta into gamma plus delta, this becomes gamma plus delta, alpha beta into gamma plus delta plus 0, that is equal to minus plus minus here. So this is minus 6. Okay, since maybe we call it as equation 3. Now put equation in 1 in 3. We get, so alpha beta into gamma plus delta is 2, that is equal to minus 6. So alpha beta is equal to minus 3. Alpha beta value is equal to minus 3. Now S4. What is S4? S4 is alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Okay, maybe this I can write it as beta is alpha plus beta is equal to minus alpha. So minus alpha square is equal to minus 3. So alpha is equal to plus or minus root 3. We'll get this here. So S4 is equal to alpha, beta, gamma, delta. That is equal to minus plus minus plus. So this is minus 21. So this alpha beta is minus alpha square. Gamma delta is equal to minus 21 implies this is minus alpha square is equal to minus 3 into gamma delta, that is equal to minus 21, implies gamma delta is equal to 7. Okay, so we have gamma delta is equal to 7 and gamma plus delta is equal to 2. Okay, we shall continue in the next page. So here is the solution continuation. Here is the continuation. So we have got gamma plus delta is equal to 2 and gamma delta is equal to 7. Okay, we know that gamma comma delta are the roots of x square minus gamma plus delta into x plus gamma delta is equal to 0, implies gamma delta are the roots of x square minus 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. So the roots are minus 2 plus or minus b square, that is 2 square, minus 4 into a into c divided by 2. So that is minus 2 plus or minus, so it is 4 minus 28 divided by 2. So that is minus 2 plus or minus under root minus 24 divided by 2. So that can be written as minus 2 plus or minus this root 24 can be written as 4 into 6, and this is I into 2 root 6 divided by 2. So that is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 6. Okay, so therefore gamma comma delta is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 6. Therefore the roots of the given equation are root 3 comma minus root 3 minus 1 plus or minus I root 6. Okay, I think this is plus 2, this is plus 2, this is plus 2, and this becomes plus 2, and this becomes 1, this is becomes 1, so this becomes 1. So these are the roots actually. Okay, so the roots are root 3 minus root 3, 1 plus or minus I root 6.